rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Cheers! Ooh! What is that? Good. That's good.
E tape na produção.
How many drinks do we have? Like 50. We have like so many shots. I wonder what they put in that. He's giving us water? Mama! The three are drunk and I'm trying to get us an Uber because they said we were too loud. I'm not even drunk. Angie, stop. You too.
3:15 a.m. We are chowing down on some amazing Denny's. Bomb. Because see, quality cheese. First night of desert drip. We got the drip. The drip drip. We're all drunk. Emma is being a responsible drunk.
Did I throw up? No. Did Angie throw up? Yes.
Where did you throw up?
In the bed. On my hands. I'm not gonna cry again.
Emma is a trooper and a true friend to have throw up on her hand and just hold the bag there.
I was literally crying, holding her back. Brenna didn't throw up. She took out her contacts and she's sleeping.
We had to get security involved multiple times.
Angie rode in a wheelchair
To the room.
and then I had to carry her from the doorway
To that room.
all the way on the bed. The far side of the bed too. I deserve a treat.
You deserve these mozzarella sticks. You know what the front desk lady said to me? I was like, can we get security to help take my friend to the room, like carry her? You probably get this a lot. And she's like, no, this is the first time.
So responsible people stay here.
We are gonna get kicked out tomorrow.
And she's on the ground and she goes like this with her dress all the way up, literally, because she's like, I'm so hot. I'm like, girl, put your dress down.
That is public nudity. You cannot do that.
I pulled it down probably 5 times. Brenna was fine. She was just laying there. Angie went to the ground and put her dress up. No can handle.
Now we know when it's shot o'clock, it's only for us.
And those two gotta get out. It's for big kids.
Fun night though.
Until we had to leave. And those two idiots.
We got a timeshare meeting at 12:30. This needs to be documented and inputted into Angie's vlog. Because if it's not, her vlog is not true. I am gonna kill them.
Literally, I covered their mouths. I went around their head like this. Really? I covered her mouth. Brenna, Angie, look at this. I said, shut up. Did they? No.
Angie was the loudest.
I know. I was like, why are you yelling?
I think if we can control Angie, I think that's the root of the problem.
Brenna feeds off her.
Yeah.
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 Literally, Angie was saying something in there, and
then
Brenna started cracking up.
And I could hear the deep breathing and the...
Yeah. Why was she breathing so loud? She's like a freaking dragon. You don't need to breathe that loud. Like, how do you even breathe that loud? That's
Cheers.
okay. Cheers.
We're back. Brenna's birthday today. And
25.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it.
Cheers.
Night number 2. I'm not drinking any alcohol tonight. I'm done with that. Alcohol's a bad thing for me specifically. It's Brenna's birthday. I'm babysitting. She's turned already. If you can't tell.
Till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation.
We survived the night. Malia got wasted.
And I'm here. I'm driving. I'm standing. I'm fine.
We're at the Vegas sign.
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hey. Okay. I'm gonna throw up. Can I lie down?
She kept giving us more shots. I was like, oh my, you mother.
Angie, do you want to actually sit up on the chair, please?
You guys are stupid. Wait, where's my bag?
So I'm not gonna get you French fries because you guys failed within the first 10 seconds of staying quiet.
Be quiet.
Can you get us